just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working.
Hey y'all, I want to do this unboxing of this Markartt Your Nail Lab monthly nail box. I'm about to open it up and see what's inside and show you guys along the way what I have. The first thing I have in this box is a thank you card. Thank you, Markartt, for sending me this box. I really appreciate it. And a little bit of a disclaimer. This box came pretty banged up, and I received it late. I was supposed to get it on Wednesday, and I ended up getting it Thursday instead. So bear with me. The first item I have is these press-on nails. I will not be wearing them. They're pretty scratched up. Some look bent, but it might be my eyes playing tricks with me. But these are very pretty, and I will be giving these to my daughters so they can play with them because they like playing with nails as well. So I will be giving them these. The second thing I have is these very, very pretty glitters. Look at that. Several of them have black and silver in them. Two of them have black and silver with shapes in them, like hearts, crescents, circles, and that's about it. And it has like confetti glitter in it. It's very pretty. Many of the other ones have flat colors in them. It don't have any shapes at all. This one right here is like a clear with silver. It's so pretty. And there's another one on here that's like yellow silver with glitter. Very, 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 very pretty. I will be incorporating at least one of these into my fall set. I will be doing my fall set today, by the way, so be on the lookout for the video because it's coming. The third thing I would like to show is these polishes. This polish right here is like a neon green. It's very, very highly pigmented, and it's so pretty, and it's perfect for a Christmas set. Another one that's perfect for a Christmas set is this hot jelly pink. I saw Vanity Val using this many a times in her video, so I can't wait to try it out. It's super duper pretty. The last gel I have is a liner. This gel polish is like a hot cherry red, and is perfect for a Christmas set as well. So I will be figuring out what I'm going to do with this, and I will be using it for my Christmas set. The last thing I have in this box is my polygels. Polygel number one is called Elite. It's like a light blue with glitter in it. It's super pretty. Perfect for a Christmas set. And the last polygel I have is a yellow. It's called Daffodil. It's like a sunflower yellow. It's very, very pretty. And yeah, I don't know what this would be good for, but we'll figure it out. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for you guys right now. Sorry the video was so short. This box only came with so much stuff in it. I thought I was going to get some clear nails this time, but I didn't get that. But I really appreciate everything that was sent to me. Thank you, Markartt, for putting this box together. I can't wait to see what I get next month. I'm so happy to see what I'm going to get. So far, these monthly boxes, they have been pretty good. They've been fine to me. Just this month had a little bit of bumps in the road, but it's okay. It'll get better, and I will have more footage coming your way. I'm going to be working on 3D flowers. So after I do my nails today, I think I'm going to do some 3D flowers, you know, practice or something like that. I have sculpture gel, but I haven't figured out how to use it the right way. I watched the video and it looks pretty easy, so I'm gonna give it a shot and I'm gonna show y'all how my flowers look. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, whichever 3 you decide to do. And you can also find me on TikTok, fairyqueen_309. I have plenty of videos on there that you guys can look at. Some of them may be the same videos that are on my YouTube, but if you want to get to know me a little better, you can check out my TikTok page. You can also check out my Instagram page, Fairy Queen Nails. Okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all stay positive, stay blessed, show more love. There's enough hate going around in this world. Don't get hard on yourself about things that are out of your control. And always, always, always work on your craft. Don't ever give up. It's not impossible to get there, but you can't get there counting on other people. You can only count on yourself at the end of the day. But we're on the road to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys can help me out with that, I will really appreciate it. Again, make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. If you have any ideas that you would like for me to do, please hit me up and let me know. You can comment under the videos, whatever you choose to do. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.